Here we will see different types of cookies in client-side management techniques of ASP.NET. Different types of cookies are session cookies, persistent cookies and non-persistent cookies. First we will see session cookies. It is one which is created by default by the web server on client's machine during a session. This cookie uses a session ID. When a user connects to an ASP.NET application, a unique session ID will be affiliated with the user. If nothing is put in the session, no cookie will be sent to the browser. This means that the user will get a new session ID the next time a new URL is opened or the page is refreshed. By default, session ID is read-only, but with ASP.NET it is not true. If you try to change your session ID in another type of web application, you will usually be logged out because the session does not exist. If you pass an ASP.NET application a session ID of a session that does not exist, ASP.NET will create a session with that session ID. Next is session ID expiry. The ASP.NET session ID is said to be deleted when you close the browser. If you modify the cookie to have an expiry date at some point ahead in time, you will get the same session ID every time you visit the ASP.NET application until the expiry date set for the cookie. Next is persistent cookie. Cookie having expiration date is called persistent cookie. In this cookie, users set an expiration date. These cookies are stored on your computer hard disk. They stay on your hard disk accessed by the web server until they are deleted or have expired. There are two ways for creating persistent cookies. And another method is with HTTP cookie. Here I have done this with HTTP cookie, a cookie name which is equal to new HTTP cookie persistence. That is, here I will create the object for this HTTP cookie and I will pass the persistent as a parameter. And a cookie val per is defined. Next I will assign a cookie per dot value equal to the cookie values. And with the same object name, I will assign the expiry time for that cookie. Next is non-persistent cookie. Non-persistent type of cookie doesn't get stored in client's hard drive permanently. It maintains user information as long as user accesses or uses the service. It is simply the opposite procedure of persistent cookie. There are two ways for creating non-persistent cookies. First, with response.cookies, with cookie name, we will assign the value to that cookie. And second is with HTTP cookie class, we will create the object for non-persistent and then we will assign a value to that object.